Okay? So you see, you type Abad Pro, ABADPRO.
Bad Pro?
Abad, as in Abad.
Abad Pro.
PRO, okay? Hit return. Hit enter.
Enter? Enter. Wait.
Okay, so the language model is running. Okay, it will take 1 minute to load the model. So when you see the greater than sign, okay, it's red, yun yung cursor mo na. Cursor mo, tapos you ask something about the Hardin that you did research on.
Okay.
Idasag mo yung So you wait for the anything. Sandali, you wait for the prompt. Ayan. Pwede na, ready na siya. Actually, that query will show you what the limitation of this software is. Then I'll explain it to you why it's limited. Sige, what is Hardin de Rakma?
Yes.
Okay, lagyan mo question mark. You can say lagyan mo yung question mark para alam niyo you're asking a question. Okay, press enter. So you wait 40 seconds, it will compose a couple of sentences to respond to your query. Okay, so it doesn't identify Rakma. It identified Retiro. Okay? So where is that? Something in Spain. Okay? But the point is, it's feeding you information even without internet connectivity. Pero limited yung information niya kasi this is a subset of ChatGPT and a subset of Stanford professors na research. So siguro dun sa research ng Stanford, wala namang Hardin de Rakma. So mag-iimbento siya ng sagot that's closest. Ang na-identify niya dun sa corpus or body of knowledge niya is Hardin de Retiro. Okay? So now you've seen na ang tawag dito, foundational language model. It's a small subset that will run on your phone. And you don't have internet connectivity. Meron ka ba mga kapatid? Yes.
Very useful po siya sa mga nagre-research po na
Exactly.
Kasi 'di ba sa research naghahanap ng yung kagaya ng niyo ay yung topic niyo, yung tawag dun sa yung sa last part sa research po yung
conclusion what?
Hindi, yung same dapat yung same din. Yung tawag dun sa research. Salimutan ko na po. Mas useful to sa sa research, paggagawa ng research yung mga estudyante.
Exactly. So kahapon nasa Xavier University ako. Okay, dun sa Xavier University, in a small hut, nag-group study yung 5 psychology majors. I asked the psych majors, can I disturb you for 10-15 minutes? I wanna demo my app to you. So nag-curious sila yung app. So I asked them, so while I'm narrating, why don't you ask another question na hindi naman Hardin de Retiro? Something like customer service, prospects of the shipping industry, or something related to your interest. Hintayin mo lang. Yun yung one of the limitations ngayon. Depende doon sa yung Android power mo. Since yung resources, nawawala yung cursor. Yung keyboard. So the best thing there is there's a separate Bluetooth para So this is not yet out in the market. I'm just debugging this entire thing. So I'm trying to get feedback from the users. What do you think? Is it useful? Is it not useful? What do you like? What don't you like about the entire thing? Ayan, nawala si si keyboard. So let's kill it. Okay, more. Tapos let's do it again. Kill process. Okay. Press enter. So it's not responding, ibig sabihin nag-loop siya. So you can repeat it again. Hello. So type Abad Pro again. Hello. Tapos hit return. Tapos formulate your next question. Yan, so may bisita ka. Magsi-shift na ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just showing her something new, so she learned something new today. What's your name?
Doris, sir.
Doris, ikaw, you are?
Angel, sir.
Angel. Okay, ako si Prof. Bingo. So what are you typing?
You know that what is the different? I remember. Wow.
Are you a tourism major also? Anong under?
Education, sir.
Edo. Mas mag...
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
20 po.
What is the question? Different?
Of customer service and
Okay. So, you wanna read the first couple of sentences?
The main difference between customer service and concierge is in their roles.
Sige.
While customer service
Ikaw
focuses
mag-video.
on providing
Because this is
assistance
historic.
to customers,
Try to avoid
concierge
ilaw.
provide personalized services that go beyond what a typical customer would expect. Concierge are often found in luxury hotels or private clubs where they offer up special VIP treatment for the guests by fulfilling requests and catering to their needs with efficiency and discretion.
So, how did that happen? Bakit nakaganon ka?
Sakto na lang.
Ha?
True po
Sakto?
yun.
True.
Yes.
Okay, so how did that happen? My smartphone didn't have any file about the concierge and customer service. Yet it was able to produce an answer. How? Wala tayong Google, wala tayong mobile data. Paano siya nakasagot? At saka tama yung sagot. Di ba yung first, mali yung sagot kasi Hardin de Rahma, di ba? Naku-curious na si Angel.
Without internet.
Sumagot yung smartphone ko dun sa question niya kahit walang internet.
Very useful.
Paano nangyari yun? Niloloko ba siya ng smartphone ko? Paano nakasagot yung smartphone? Angel.
Sir, paano ba, sir?
Wild guess. You're the younger generation, so technology mas naintindihan nyo kami. Hindi namin naintindihan karamihan yan. Paano nakasagot yung smartphone?
Dahil sa app na to, sir.
So you've heard of artificial intelligence? ChatGPT. This is artificial intelligence.
App na? With app. Ang nagkaiba lang sa ChatGPT is need siya ng internet, tapos ito hindi. Kahit walang signal, okay.
Correct.
Gumagana siya. Okay.
But hindi lang yun yung difference kasi that model is really meant to be optimized for a certain group of users. Kasi nga, ang tawag dyan, foundational language model. So the more users and in a certain domain, so like in the case of Angel, puro edu, teachers, professors, etc. Pag pinuno nyo yan, trainin nyo yan ng data set ng education, mas gaganda yung sagot. So yun yung pagka-training. Tawag doon, instruction following. So pag instruction following, it becomes your virtual assistant if you train it properly. So there, in 5 minutes, you've witnessed a new technology that may be useful for Filipinos kahit walang internet connectivity.
Pero sir, itong app na to, available na siya sa Play Store?
No.
Hindi pa talaga?
Hindi, kasi nga,
Hindi
I'm
pa
a
siya
hacker.
Ah.
I'm a hacker. Bakit? Ganun
Wala, sir.
Ha?
Wala, sir.
Okay. So, there's the large language model. Okay, that belongs to big tech. That's for Apple, that's for Google, that's for Microsoft, that's for Oracle. Okay. Stanford, where I came from, Stanford University, nag-set up ng lab, small, ang tawag nila, foundational language model. So that is the foundational language model from Stanford University. Hinak ko para tumakbo sa smartphone.
You're a very good hacker, sir.
Ano?
Very good hacker.
No, it's not very good. It's just understanding how the architecture of the technology. If you understand the architecture of the technology, it's not difficult to hack. So, pasado?
Pasado, sir.
So like if you had brothers and sisters, you still have brothers and sisters in ano?
Brothers.
Brother. Anong grade na si brother mo?
College. First year
college.
college.
Saan siya nag-aaral?